Here's a narrative-style script based on your request. The video will feature photos of the artists while the narrator introduces them and describes their most inspiring songs. Since you can't use copyrighted music, you can encourage viewers to listen to the songs on their own after the video. Top 15 reggae artists with inspiring lyrics. Reggae music is more than just a rhythm. It's a movement, a voice for the people. From themes of unity and resistance to love and spirituality, these reggae artists have delivered powerful messages through their lyrics. In this video, we present the top 15 reggae artists whose words continue to inspire millions. If you don't know these songs yet, I encourage you to listen and feel the message for yourself. Let's begin. Key Cap 1 Bob Marley, Jamaica. No reggae list is complete without the legendary Bob Marley. His music speaks of freedom, love, and resistance. In Redemption Song, he reminds us to emancipate yourselves from mental slavery, a timeless call to break free from oppression. If you haven't already, take a moment to listen to this powerful track. Musical notes suggested song, Redemption Song. Key Cap 2 Peter Tosh, Jamaica. A revolutionary voice in reggae, Peter Tosh never backed down from speaking the truth. In Equal Rights, he boldly says, "Everyone is crying out for peace. None is crying out for justice." His music remains a call to action against injustice and oppression. Musical notes suggested song, Equal Rights. Key Cap 3 Burning Spear, Jamaica. Few artists have paid tribute to African heritage like Burning Spear. His song Marcus Garvey reminds us of the forgotten legacy of a leader who fought for black empowerment. His music keeps history alive. Musical notes suggested song, Marcus Garvey. Key Cap 4 Dennis Brown, Jamaica. The Crown Prince of Reggae spoke of love and unity. In Love and Hate, he wisely sings, "Love and hate can never be friends," a message that still resonates in today's world. Musical notes suggested song, Love and Hate. Key Cap 5 Lucky Dube, South Africa. From South Africa, Lucky Dube used reggae to fight against racial injustice. Different Colors, One People is a powerful anthem promoting unity, reminding us that despite our differences, we are all one. Musical note suggested song, Different Colors, One People. Key Cap 6 Buju Banton, Jamaica. Life is not easy, and Buju Banton captures this in Not an Easy Road. He sings, "Many see the glamour and the glitter, so they think it's a bed of rose." A song of perseverance and overcoming struggles. Musical note suggested song, Not an Easy Road. Key Cap 7 Sizzla, Jamaica. Encouraging self-belief, Sizzla in Rise to the Occasion tells us, "Look at yourself and say you're strong." A song that pushes us to never give up, no matter what. Musical note suggested song, Rise to the Occasion. Key Cap 8 Damian Marley, Jamaica. My generation will make a change. Damian Marley speaks to the youth, urging them to shape the future. His music is a modern voice for change. Musical note suggested song, My Generation. Key Cap 9 Protoge, Jamaica. Protoge Who Knows asks, who can you call when the world gets rough? A question about life's journey, faith, and trust. Musical note suggested song, Who Knows. Key Cap 10 Chronixx, Jamaica. In Black is Beautiful. Chronixx reminds us of forgotten truths, singing, "They never told us that black is beautiful." His music uplifts and educates. Musical note suggested song, Black is Beautiful. 1-1 Capleton, Jamaica. In Jah Jah City, Capleton warns about the struggles of urban life and staying true to righteousness. Musical note suggested song, Jah Jah City. 1-2 Tyken Jah Fakely, Côte d'Ivoire. Hailing from Ivory Coast, Tyken Benjamin of Midnight delivers deep wisdom in Stand Firm, urging us to hold our ground in tough times. Musical note suggested song, Stand Firm.